Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 20, linear equations with one variable, section C, achiever, toughest one. We are continuing from our 19th video. We are in 24th problem, solve B part. So let's start. 2x minus 17 the whole upon 7 minus in bracket x minus 1 upon 3 the whole bracket closed equals to 12. So we have to solve this. Basically solve this means we have to find a solution for x. So try to get x on one side and remaining all things on the other. First solve the bracket. So 2x minus 17 upon 7 as it is and remaining 12 also as it is. Just solve this square bracket. Minus cross multiply this 3x minus in bracket x minus 1. Pay attention over here. See here minus is common to x minus 1. So when you put 3 on the numerator cross multiply, this minus should go to both. That's why we have put a bracket over here. Okay. So 3x minus x plus 1, minus into minus plus. Okay. Bracket closed. Remaining as it is. So 2x minus 17 blah 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 minus 3x minus x is 2x plus 1 upon 3. This bracket closed. Now we can solve these two. Why? Because here it was minus and the denominator was not common over here inside the bracket. Now it is common. So cross multiply with 3. 3 into 2x minus 17 minus this 7 into 2x plus 1. Even if you remove the square bracket over here, it doesn't matter because denominator is common now. And below denominator 7 into 3, 21 as it is and 12 as it is. Solve this now. 3 to the 6, 6x and 17 3 the 51 minus 51, right? Minus 7 into 2x minus 14x and minus 7 into plus 1 minus 7. The whole upon 7 into 3 or 21 you can write it equals to 12. So solve this now. 6 minus 14 that is minus 8x, 51 and 7 both have minus sign. So minus minus plus. Minus 51 plus 7 minus 58, sign of the bigger one, so minus 58, and this 12 into 21 as it is. You can multiply this and find the answer also, or you can keep it as it is. So minus 8x minus 58 equals to 252, you can write it. Though take 58 on this side, so it becomes plus. Minus 8x equals to 252 plus 58. So it becomes 310. So minus 8x equals to 310. So x equals to, take minus 8 on this side. Remember we have to find x, not minus x. So take full minus 8 on this side. It becomes 310 upon minus 8, or you can write it this way also. Minus can be taken in the numerator also. Minus 310 upon 8, 2 cancel it by 2. So minus 155 upon 4. That is the answer of x. That is the required answer. Let's go to next. Next, straight true or false. We have two parts in this. First is A. Let's see. Altitude equals to 5 upon 3 of base. Oh, the problem remains. See here. First look at the problem. An altitude of a triangle is 5/3 the length of its corresponding base. If the altitude be increased by 4 centimeters and the base be decreased by 2 centimeters, the area of the triangle would remain the same. So, the base and the altitude of the triangle are respectively 12 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So, remember what the problem is. Altitude equals to 5/3 of the length of the base. Then there is increase and decrease in base and altitude, and we have to prove that this is true or false. So altitude equals to 5 upon 3 of base. Okay, let base be x. So altitude is what? 5 upon 3 multiplied by x. So 5x upon 3. Okay. Next is what? Altitude is increased by 4. So 5x upon 3 plus 4. So solve this. It becomes 3 4 12. 5x plus 12 upon 3. Okay. Next, base is decreased by 2, but base is x. So new base is x minus 2. Okay. So original area means earlier area when altitude and base were this x and 5x by 3. So area is what? Half base into height. So original area is half into base is x into 5x by 3. And what is the new area? Why are we finding original and new area? Because in the question it's given the area of the triangle remains the same. That's why we have to find both the areas and then equate them. So new area equals to 1 upon 2 into this new base into new height into new base. So 5x plus 12 upon 3 into x minus 2. Equate them. Original equals to new. So 1 upon 2 into this becomes 5x square upon 3, and here it becomes 1 upon 2 into 5x plus 12 upon 3 into x minus 2. Okay. Now let's solve this. 5x, see this, 5x square upon, see what happens, 3 and 2, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6. So both can be cancelled because there is a multiplication sign in between these brackets. Okay, so these 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 can be cancelled. Remember, this can't be done if there is a plus sign between any bracket. So what remains? 5x square equals to 5x plus 12 into x minus 2, right? Only this numerator. Solve this. 5x into x minus 2 plus 12 into x minus 2, right? So it becomes 5x square minus 10x plus 12x minus 24. Okay. Now 5x square gets cancelled because they are same on the both sides, and there is a plus sign between behind them. So 0 equals to this 5x square gone minus 10x plus 12x minus 24. Solve this. So it becomes this, take minus 24 on this side, it becomes plus 24. So 12x minus 10x, that is 2x as it is, and 24 on this side. So it becomes 2x equals to 24. Solve it yourself. This needs practice. Okay. So x equals to 24 upon 2. 200 to 12. So 12, base is 12, and height or altitude is 5 upon 3 into 12. So solve this. 3 1 the 4 the and 5 4 the 20. Altitude is 20. What is given in the question? Say this, 12 and 20. So the answer is true. Next, the B and C part of true and false, we'll solve it in next video. So download Your Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.